I would like to explain the record reader. The record reader. The record reader is a class. The record reader is a class in Hadoop. Okay. So the main purpose of this record reader is to split the input data into a key value pairs, and the key value pairs is given as input to the mapper. Given as the input to the which one? Mapper. So for example, if you can see the workflow of MapReduce, how we can draw is input. Okay, we taken as input data. That input data is given as input to which one? Mapper. For example, if the input data is split into 3 blocks, now 3 mappers executed. Now this is input data set. This is input data set data. This input data is given as input to mapper. Okay, so now how the input data look like? The input data is look like maybe some text documents, okay, or some structured data likewise. But the mapper can accept the input as a key value pairs. The mapper can accept input as a key value pairs. Now, to split this input data, as a key value pairs, now we are using one more class in between mapper and input data is called as record reader. Record reader. The record reader is a class. The record reader is a class. This class is used to split the input data as a key value pair. That key value pair is given as input to which one? Mapper. Given as input to mapper. Okay. So here one more point we have to remember is we no need to write any logic for the record reader. Okay. Why? Because the Hadoop itself automatically uses the record reader. The Hadoop itself automatically uses the record reader to split the input data as a key value pair and given as input to which one? Mapper. Okay. And also it is also possible to customize the input data in our own way. Okay, that means we may also split the input data into different format. That is also possible with the help of the record reader. If you're not using any record reader, the Hadoop automatically splits the input data into a key value pair, and that is given as input to which one? Mapper. Okay, so that is the main purpose of the record reader. We can also customize the input data. I didn't want to the input data in some, I want input data in some another format, So if you want maintain the data, input data into another format, in that format also we may maintain the data by the record reader also. Okay, so let's see the examples. Okay, record reader. Okay, data in the input split creates a key value pair for the mapper. We can also customize this record reader. So how we can customize? Here the customize means we can also split the input data in our own way, in our own format. That in our own format, we have to split the input data by using, we can send JSON objects, XML objects, or any other formats to the mapper for processing. Likewise, also we have send the input to the which one? Mapper, as like a JSON object, XML object, or any other format to the mapper. So if you want to send a JSON object, as XML object, or any other format to the mapper, then we have to define the record reader, or we can use some of the methods of record reader class, okay, to send the input to the mapper in some other format. Okay. A custom implementation can even read more data outside the input split. It is not encouraged a lot, but sometimes it is needed for specific cases. Okay, so if to specific cases, if it's needed, then we have to write or we have to define the record reader class. Clear? So now this record reader class, is having in a package called as arg.apache.hadoop.mapreduce. In this package, we are having the class called as record reader. The record reader having two parameters. One thing is called as key in and value in. What is the key input and what is the value input? Okay, this is the record reader parameters. Okay, this recorder class is having in this package arg.apache.hadoop.mapreduce. Now this arg.apache.hadoop.mapreduce package is the sub package of java.long.object package. That means this package or this class can be extended from the another package called as java.long.object. So from this package, okay, so we are having the class called as record reader class. Okay, now all implemented interfaces we are having in a closable. We are having in a closable interfaces. Okay, closable interfaces. Okay, this is the simple about record reader. Let's see some of the methods we are having in a record reader. This is the default constructor of a record reader class. Okay, if you want to define the record reader class, which is the method. You want to define the record reader class, public abstract class. What is the class name? Record reader class. This record reader class can extend which class? Object class, and it can implement closable interface. Okay, so we have to implement the closable interface, and we can also extend the object class. Okay, that is the simple class definition of which one? Record reader. Record reader can extend the object class, and also it can implement the closable interface. The main purpose of record reader is breaks the data into key value pairs that has given as input to which one? The mapper. Okay, this is the default constructor of a record reader. Okay, now we can see some of the methods of record reader. The first one is called as close method. This close method can be used to close the record reader. And key in, get current key method. This get current key method can be used to get the current input key that is given as to which one? Mapper. Get current value. It is used to get the current value that is given as input to which one? Mapper. Get progress method. This method can return float value, that is the current progress of the record reader through its data. What is the current progress of the record reader? That can be returned by the get progress method. Okay, and initialize method. Okay, it is automatically initialized once the record reader is initialized. Okay, so now initialize method, it is having parameters split and also context objects. Okay, this can be called once at initialization. And next we call as next key value method. Read the next key value pairs. Is used to read the next key value pairs. Okay, so these are some of the methods we are having in a recorded close method, get current key method, get current value method, get progress method, initialize method that is used to initialize in the record reader. We can use the initialized method, and also to get the next key value pairs, we are using the next key value method. These are some of the methods we are having the record reader. This is simply about the record reader. Okay, so the main purpose of record reader is to split the input data into the key value pairs, and that key value pairs are given as input to which one? Mapper. That means in by default the record reader is having in between the input data and also called as the mapper. We may also customize the input data. That means we may also send the JSON objects or XML objects to the as a input to the mapper. At that time we have to define the record reader class. Otherwise, automatically the Hadoop itself converts the input data or splits the input data into the key value pair and given as input to which one? Mapper. That is about the record